Happy Friday! Another one, fast, come round very fast again. And I'm out for a walk, so today somebody asked me to show how I do the grass weaving. So I'm going to attempt to do that for you. All the grass is pretty wet this morning, so I usually just, to start it off, pick a few bits and then you twist it, and then behind, twist, over, twist, over, twist, over, twist, over. And I don't mind if there's bits sticking out, because that actually just adds to it. So then you maybe get some different types of grass. And then to add them in, you just place them where you're on the kind of the middle of the twist, and then twist, over, twist, over, twist, over, twist, over. And you just keep twisting, over, twist, over. And as you walk along, keep an eye out for different types. So here's a bit of plantain. So you want grass that's more bendy, not anything that's too tough. But you can add in tougher grass or stuff that splits easier, and you can make it work if you're gentle. So I'll add in some more. And you just keep going like that. Yeah, walk and twist. And there's some yellow flower here. I think it's trefoil. So what I do with these, I'll get a bit longer grass as well. Just very gently twist, over. You give it a couple of twists so it's well incorporated, and then try to keep it sticking out and twist past it, so the flower sits like that. So I'll keep doing a bit more, I'll speed it up.